Well, it's time to get the chainsaw and cut up this tree that fell over. Come and have a look at this tree. So this is what I've been up to, clearing a path along the edge of the back fence. As you can see, there's probably 2.5, 3 meters worth of bramble there. And this is the stump where it just broke off. And if you look down the stump, it's basically a drinking straw. Yet another one has just rotted on the inside, probably where a branch was broken off, but it's rotted down the center, snapped in half, fell over. Oh dear. So I'm going to cut this trunk down to near the ground, just the right height so I can stumble over it, and I'll cut the rest of the tree up into bite-sized pieces so that we can drag it to the front and take it to the dump at some point in time. Okay, I'll put you back on the tripod. Quick note for chainsaw fans, always keep your chainsaw oil lubed. Joe is in behind the bread oven, clearing off the ivy that was behind it. So she's found a couple of sort of stump type things which need to be chainsawed rather than just cut. So I'll turn you around and you can watch while I trim those and Joe continues to get some of the ivy off. So that's pretty much a 3 or 4 meter border all the way around the perimeter now. All of that area behind the writing shed is now free. It was an apple tree that had fallen down over there. That's cut up, ready to be got rid of. You can see all the tufts of grass with just brambles brimming up from in the midst of it. It's we're going to have to get the tractor with a flail again and just decimate it. If I was a good boy, I would rake up all this mess that I've just made, put it into big bags and take it to the dump. But I'm just too tired. I'm going to go and have a drink. And judging by the clouds, it's probably going to rain anyway. It's Normandy, why wouldn't it? Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see what we do next.